turn it up.
Did you think that I might turn my back and run away?
Go.
My ordinary, and I'm not everyday kind of way, but can I take it with you? Take a leap with you. When it's free, I'll make it smooth. I'll make it smooth. If there's room for
Kung talagang reaction ha, dapat happy dyan. Buwilang gani. Naman siya na siya buwilang, pero we'll see.
Kira?
Soltero mo ka, hindi ka mo hilak. Ha?
No.
up top, said, looking up top, reaching up top, reaching that up top, reaching up top, reaching that up top, reaching up top, reaching that up top, reaching up top, reaching.
Kaunan kay duko ko gatanong siyang ID. Paghangad na ko iya kong gikisan diretso. Puts kong gibati murag kiligon ko na gikulbaan kay murag ta kong teenager na hala kasabaan ko ni mama ani kay gikisan ko murag ana bitaw.
Kulbaan pa ko kay, siyempre pag kiss na ko, wala man itingog. Ako bala, nakasakla ko. Pwede, murag laparohon siguro ko ani, nga bastos man ko. Ay, ano ba, kulbaan ko. Yan, kalit man na siya saglit nga.
Hala nakauyab na gid si Makmak. Then mao tay official na nag-uyab. Kajit lang. Father na kay katawanan kasi gnaon. Kajit lang. To be honest, gusto jud na ako sa tanan na relasyon na ako sa past. Siya gyud akong nakita na makauban for life in God's will. Kay kuan gid siya kanang makita nimo na palanggan niya akong mga anak na dayon very responsible gid siya. Mura bitaw mapungkol ko tungod niya mao nang makaingon jud ko na kani akong gusto makauban for life o madak-an sa akong mga anak kay makita gid nila kung unsa sila kapalangga silang papa.
I think I want you more than want. I know I need you more than need. I wanna hold you more than hold. When you stood in front of me, I think you know me more than know.
Kadula mi sa gagmay pa mi og silingan ra mi. So, yeah, so murag at least tulog gid ka decades ang gipaabot. Like gituyok pa namo ang kalibutan pero nara dai sa silingan ang true love.
Look at me. Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all is your date for the prom. I'm blessed as a
Ito naman, nagpangita na dito siya haba. Ngita na ko siya kanang, kung di ko makakuan siya message, murag kulang man ang kuan. Kulang ako ng adlaw bitaw, kaya ngita naman ko.
No, I've never seen anything quite like you. When it's right, it's more than right. 'Cause you
This is the day, mahal, that finally the day we waited. See you later, I love you. Future husband, J1.
into the grave with me. Oh, well, I've seen
Kani adto pa lang, I am ready to be your husband. ready to be a father of two angels, Isabel and Chloe. I know that this is just the beginning of our new chapter of life, being a husband and wife.
Who have thought that two childhood playmates and neighbors would end up here? We even became Facebook chatmates without realizing we have known each other since we were kids. Looking back now, I know it wasn't a coincidence. It was God's perfect plan all along.
In your eyes, oh,
Ang ako lang yung iampo sa Ginoo permanente na gabayan ta niya kay naman di man gid perfect ang relasyon naman gay misunderstanding and ano ay away-away pero i-center nato ang atong relationship sa Ginoo. See you soon. I love you.
I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all, 'cause you're a date for the prom. I'm blessed as a man to have seen you in white, but I've never seen anything quite like you tonight. No, no, I've never seen anything quite